And hello, welcome to this video. So this video's objective is to take a look at a few bits of the code, especially PipeFactory. And let's just start with PipeFactory first. So I'm not going to open new tabs, am I? Maybe I should, or maybe not. The tabs are getting too many. So let's go to PipeFactory. I will look at these two classes called BasePipeFactory and PipeFactory. Okay, why do I have a BasePipeFactory? Or rather, how does it work? Okay, BasePipeFactory. Well, I am quite certain that maybe some of you might, or someone might take my code and then want to edit it. All right, so I want to have an abstract class called BasePipeFactory. Okay, BasePipeFactory is for people to inherit the official list of pipes that I have. And then if you want to add your own pipes, you can actually add it here in PipeFactory. So let me explain how this works. So PipeFactory, basically what I have there is a dictionary of string and component. Okay, dictionary of string and component. String and component. So maybe I should, I should have a README, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I should have a README here. Let's see if I can find go up a directory. Yes, pipes and valves. Let me copy the README, or rather, let me copy the README from the tests. There's the pipes and valves. Let me copy the README on MC. Copy the README documentation, the libraries, and then I'll go to pipes and valves, PipeFactory, README.md. Okay, so let's go to PipeFactory. Pipes and valves, README.md, and then I will vsplit to open a new tab, B# to go to the last one, and I have a good thing here. So I'm going to change everything here. I'm going to delete pipes and valve PipeFactory README. So this is a markdown file that will have. Okay, so what are the classes here? First thing first, I have design, right? So this class is for the user to select pipe type using a string, and then the returnPipe method will give the pipe object as type component. Alright, so that's the whole idea. Okay, so what's inside here? Underlying workings. Okay, let me put one more thing in the design. BasePipeFactory. Okay, BasePipeFactory is a class for you. Is a class that contains my official list of pipes. If you want to add your own pipes, create another PipeFactory class and inherit from BasePipeFactory. Okay, see PipeFactory.cs for a template. Okay, so BasePipeFactory is never intended to be used on its own, but you inherit this class and then you start instantiating from another class. Okay, underlying workings. Okay, BasePipeFactory is dependent on a dictionary. Okay, notice I don't use interfaces here. I just use the abstract class straight away. Okay, so this thing is actually dependent on dictionary. So this is the dictionary. So C#. Okay, C#. Yes. Okay, C#. I'll paste here. Now So we indent it properly. So this is actually dependent on dictionary. What the user will do is supply a string. So you type in a string, and the BasePipeFactory class will access the correct pipe from the dictionary. Okay, so this dictionary is a dictionary of strings and components. So let's say you have a pipe name, and then you can attach a component object or pipe object in this dictionary, so that when you access it, it will be okay. How is the dictionary constructed? Okay, the dictionary is constructed in the constructor. Okay, constructor class. Okay, so this is the constructor class. Okay, there are actually a lot of constructor classes. Okay. Okay, so BasePipeFactory will have this constructor class. All you need to do is to do C# code here, G, 10 up, indent. Okay, all you need to do is supply the name. Okay, pipe name, because you need a pipe name to be able to construct a pipe at the very least. Okay, so that's how that thing works. So I have two properties here, or two private attributes, variables, whatever you call them. Yeah, I have them here. Dictionary and string. So the string is actually the pipe name. Dictionary is, well, I just instantiate a new dictionary here. Then we start adding the components one by one. Okay, the first one I add is the mock pipe resistor. The second one is a base pipe. So I haven't gone through the base pipe yet, but that's what I'll do. Okay, so there are two overloads of constructor here. There are two overloads of constructor. There is, okay, I'll just put there is another overload of the constructor, so that you can, okay, so that you can actually construct the pipe if you know the inlet and outlet names. Okay, or in a talk. Okay, so I'm not going to talk too much about this. I will just assume you know. Okay, any questions, please leave it in the I can't guarantee their answer. I'm pretty busy. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I won't say too much about that. Let's talk about how we actually add the pipes and the strings to this dictionary. So the dictionary is instantiated using this new dictionary object, and then what I'll do is that I will go to this thing like what add base pipe. Okay, add base pipe or add mock pipe. Yeah, add mock pipe custom resistor. Okay, to add a pipe to the dictionary, we have add methods. Okay, I'll just call them add pipe methods. So for example, okay, this is how you add a pipe. Now open this up, C#. Oh, right, C#. 5 down. Okay, so this is how you add it. Okay, usually this is where the manual part comes in. We declare the mock pipe custom resistor called mock pipe. Okay, the mock pipe equals to new mock pipe custom resistor with the constructor that just takes in the pipe name. Okay, pipe dictionary will add the mock pipe custom resistor to the mock pipe. So here is where we actually add the entry here. Here the third line is where we add the entry. Okay, so the pipe dictionary dot add is where we add the string and pipe component to the dictionary. So this is a very simple factory, and the factory is just there to help us instantiate the objects. So if there are any dependencies that need to be injected here or anything like that, they will be all done here. Okay, they'll all be done over here. Alright, so that's the idea. Okay, if we have dependency injections and anything, we'll want to actually construct them over here. Alright, so that you don't need to perform any of the dependency injection yourself. Alright, so the pattern is more or less the same for every pipe, so I will not go through the same thing for the base pipe as well. Okay, base pipe is just something I'm working on right now. That I'm actually trying to put in the Reynolds number and everything. Okay, so how does the return pipe work? Okay, underlying workings. So dictionaries. Okay, and constructor. Let me go Shift G, and then accessing components. So here's where the main thing is. Alright, it's over here. ZZ C#. 1, 2, 3. Paste here. So since dictionary is actually IEnumerable, dictionary is an IEnumerable type. It fulfills that interface. I can actually just use a for each loop. Okay, and then I'm going to access each key value pair. So the key is the string in this case. The value is the component. Right? In this pipe dictionary, for each key value pair in this .pipe dictionary. So this .pipe dictionary here is, of course, this dictionary right here, pipe dictionary. Alright, so for each key value pair in the pipe dictionary, within a class, okay, I'm going to run an if loop. If the string equals, so this is a string equals method that compares two strings, the key value pair key, okay, so the key value pair key in this case is the mock pipe custom resistor. If the key value pair key, and then I transit all the letters to lowercase. Okay, I transform all the letters to lowercase. Okay, if this is equals to the pipe type that you supply, if this is equal to the pipe type that you supply, so here's the pipe type to lower. Yeah, if it's equal to the pipe type that you supply, then I will return the key value pair value. So in this case, it's the component. Okay, so that's all I'm doing here. Okay, the to lower function is to make the class case the method non-case sensitive. Okay, so I'll just put that comment here. You can go and check it out later on. So I'm moving everything to lowercase. So okay, that's basically how you access components. All right. And then last one is exceptions. Okay, so I designed, okay, here I designed the thing. I designed PipeFactory to return a list of valid pipe types. So remember, we have many different kinds of pipes. Maybe there's that mock pipe. There's some other kind of pipes over there. I'm just going to add, make the dictionary longer. Okay, and I'm going to assign them to various names. For example, this thing is a mock pipe custom resistor. Okay, if you actually put a nonsense value into this pipe type, okay, I want a useful error result. Okay, what's the error result? Okay, so the error result is that alright, and I'm going to actually generate a list of valid pipe types, and then I'll tell the user, please use the correct pipe types. So what am I doing here? I'm doing this. I'm having a list of components. Okay, I'm having a list of components quite literally, and the list of components will use this generate list method. Okay, it also what this generate list method is going to yeah, let me exit this. Okay, this is exceptions. Okay. Actually, yeah, exceptions should be three £. Okay. So this is the exceptions. Okay, so if the user provides a wrong pipe type, okay, this class will tell you what pipe types are valid. Okay, so that means yeah, if you don't know what the name of the pipes are, you can just yeah, you can just what do you call that? You can just enter some nonsensical value, and then the program is designed to tell you which pipe types are correct. So it will just say your pipe type doesn't exist, please consider using the following pipe types, and then the error message will play you back this list of components. So how does the generate list works? Okay, the generate list here is actually our first thing first. I will clean up the list, and then the list of components, there'll be some nice error message here. I'll use a for each error. I'll use a for each loop. Okay, so how does the generate list method work? Okay, so yeah, I'll have a list string of components. Okay, I'll just shortcut you to here. Now I'll put insert C#. Okay, 3 down. Okay, so basically I am actually adding all the key value pairs, and then of course I format it nicely using this +n thing, okay, which is to move you to the next line. After that, we just keep doing it for every key value pair in the pipe dictionary, and then we'll just return the list of components here. So that's how the generate list works. Okay, so pretty much that's all you need to know. I mean, optionally there is a get list. Okay, there's a get list, a string method. I use the virtual keyword, meaning to say that you can override this method easily if you wanted to. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Virtual means you can override this method. Okay. So this we'll just have a string of list of components, and then I will just use this method called this generate list. I will have a console write line here. I will write it out to the console, so that's printing. And then if you want, you can actually return the list out. So it will do both printing and it will return the list value. Okay, so that's all for this PipeFactory. That's how it works. And then let's see. Let me close this, open this up to. Oh wait, shucks. Oh shoot. Did I just overwrite all my pipes and valves thing? So okay, let me exit this and I'll undo all the way to the beginning. Okay. Whew. Okay, so I edited the wrong file all along, and I nearly deleted all my README. So yes, I think this is the one. Let me paste it here. Okay, well, okay, the video doesn't change too much. Okay, I'll delete everything, save it. Thank God. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. Same thing. Okay, I put the README in the right place. I don't want to delete the old README. Okay, so yes, let's go for the next part, which is the PipeFactory.cs. PipeFactory.cs is just we will just inherit from the BasePipeFactory. So I'm not adding any new methods here. However, what I'm doing is that I have a constructor here. Okay, so let me do B# to go to the last file, and then I'll open, where is my pipe factory? So this is buffer number 24, buffer 24. Okay, and then okay, maybe I'll do this. Okay, this is the pipe factory. Okay, pipe factory just inherits from BasePipeFactory. Okay, but PipeFactory just inherits from BasePipeFactory. So this is like an empty template for you. Okay, okay, so these are the constructors. Okay, the constructors are here. The constructor in PipeFactory just calls the BasePipeFactory constructor, which we saw earlier. Okay, we saw it earlier here. So this is the BasePipeFactory constructor. I'll just okay. Okay. I'm not going to copy and paste it here. It's not too much. Okay. And I'll say for both overloads, if you want to have your own method to add in new dictionary entries, simply copy the templates. So what do I mean? I'm going to B# here. So remember over here we have a add mock pipe, add base pipe. Okay, just copy and paste this template. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and okay, so come on. Just copy and paste this template, and then you can put your own okay, change the pipe types to include your own custom pipe classes. Okay, so that's all the PipeFactory does. And yeah, that's how it will work. If you want to customize it, go on, make your own PipeFactory class. Make sure to inherit from BasePipeFactory, and then you can just have your own add methods. Everything else underneath the hood will work the same way. Okay, so that's I think pretty much it for the PipeFactory. I'll see you next time.